We are TriesteVillas, you should know us by now. I'm Cecile and I've just driven up the coastal road to show you this delightful villa. We've just came back from the sea. We've got 150 square meters, 1000 square meters of a garden and a sea access. This view is better than the best painting you have ever seen. Seems fake. I can assure you every single window offers you the great view ever. This is not just a summer vacation rental house. You can live it all year round. You've got a private car parking place just here beneath. Price is set at 1.2 million. For this price, you've got a 3-floor villa with 3 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, and I've not showed you, but you've got a separate guest house just beneath. So you've got a private sea access dedicated to the 6 houses above. TriesteVillas.com, you can find all our contacts. Miramare Castle. I almost forgot. That is Miramare Castle. What a great view.